everyone. On behalf of the Institution of Engineers India, Salem Local Center, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this special session of our Engineers Talk, part of the IEI SLC 30th Anniversary Celebrations. We are delighted to have you join us for the webinar 35, where we will explore the topic of career path in IT. We are honored to have with us today our esteemed chief guest and keynote speaker, Mr. Asit Thambi, Managing Director of Aeron Technologies, a very simple man with his extensive experience in the IT industry and technical training. Mr. Asit Thambi brings a wealth of knowledge and insights that will undoubtedly benefit all of us. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Asit Thambi for graciously accepting our invitation and sharing his valuable time and expertise with us. We look forward to an engaging and enlightening session. I also extend my gratitude to all the members, guests, and participants who have joined us today. Your presence and active participation are what make these sessions truly impactful. As we commemorate our 30th anniversary, we reflect on our journey and achievements, and we also look forward to continuing our mission of fostering technical knowledge and professional development among engineers. Today's webinar is a testament to our ongoing commitment to these goals. Before we begin, I would like to remind everyone that all participants will receive an e-certificate, and the members with the highest attendance will be honored with an award during our Engineers Day celebration 2024. Thank you once again for joining us here. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now, it's my pleasure and privilege to introduce the guest speaker, Engineer Asaitambi J. Asaitambi J is a highly experienced developer and software consultant with over 5 years in the industry and 15 years in technical training. He has specialized in hands-on training across various programming languages, including C, C++, Java full stack development, Python, and PHP. Engineer Asaitambi J has extensive experience training corporate employees and academic faculty, and he has conducted numerous workshops and training sessions for engineering students at prominent institutions. He holds an MBA and a Bachelor of Computer Application and has worked with multiple companies and educational institutions in enhancing technical skills and aptitude. His training expertise spans across companies like Centralon IT Consulting, Onus Technologies, Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services, Covalence Digital, and many others. He has also contributed significantly to faculty development programs at colleges such as Sona College of Technology and Adi Shankara Engineering College. In addition to his professional work, Asaitambi has served as a software consultant at CITEP and as a programmer and trainer at Pentagon Global Solutions. He is known for his ability to design training modules, skill level mapping, and creating engaging code contests for students. Asaitambi is multilingual, fluent in English, Tamil, and Malayalam, and enjoys designing code contests for engineering students in his free time. With these words, I would like to invite our chief guest, Engineer Asaitambi J, to take over and to present on the topic career path in information technology. Please, sir.
Okay, good evening to everyone. So first of all, I would like to thank Dangarai sir. He is my friend for the past, I think 15 years. Okay, first of all, am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. So before starting my session, I want to know who are all from IT background from this. Because whatever I'm going to talk about, I'm fully technocrat. I don't know anything about other than technical. Okay, so the topic which we are going to discuss today, that's careers in IT. Okay, so when I talk about the careers in IT, we have, that is in careers, we can divide, we can segregate into two. One is development side, other one is networking side. So when they want to enter the technical side, that is a development side, they should be good at three things. Okay, that I'll tell you. I'll open my notepad. Before that, I'll share my screen. I didn't prepare any PPT, so it's a sudden. Okay, so if they want to enter into the development industry, that's a software, as a software developer, they should be familiar with the three things. The first thing, they should be good at any one programming language. Good in any one programming language. Then second one, they should be good at algorithms. Then third one, they should be good at DSA. That's a data structures. So mostly the companies, generally the companies are classified into two categories. One is called as product-based companies. Other one is service-based companies. So when I'm talking about product-based companies, so they are aiming only these three. If your people are good at the students, okay, generally, if they are good at these three, then surely they'll consider those people for the product based. Then when they are aiming for product based companies, minimum, okay, so they can expect 10 LPA. But when I'm going with product based companies, I think it depends upon the companies. I'm talking about the average salary package. It goes with the 3 LPA. So I'm talking about this one. That is this one also an average package. This one also, it's an average package. It depends. It depends upon the colleges, like Tier 1 colleges, Tier 2 colleges are there. It depends upon the colleges. So they will recruit it. Okay. So now the current scenario about this one, there is a concept one more. This is general, but plus the companies are more focusing on nowadays. There is concept called as full stack development. What is this generally? When I talk about a full stack development, if you're seeing some web pages, okay, so that one I'll show you. So I'm going there. Amazon.com. So this one, this is called a user interface. So the person who is developing the designing, this is called as a look and feel. Otherwise, we'll be calling this one as an UI. The person who is developing this UI is called as a front-end developer. These people are called as a front-end developer. Front-end developers. Then when we are clicking, okay, so suppose I'm clicking this one. Oh, okay, I'm selecting that headset. And I'm selecting this headset when I'm giving add to cart. When I'm giving add to cart, Now the item will be added. I can see my cart details. Go to my cart. All the details will be displayed here. See all this. So once it is given, when I'm trying to order it, these information will be stored in somewhere. Okay, whenever you are doing something, so that reaction should be, we need to get a reaction, what are the action we are doing it. So that reaction, we need to write a code because it's a system, it cannot understand. So we need to get some reaction. For that reaction, we need to write some program. That program, there are a lot of programming languages for that one. So that is what's a backend developer. Those people, developers. Okay, the next one. So whatever the data we people are giving it, that data will be stored somewhere. That's called a storage. So that one is called as a database. It is called as a database admin. Okay, database administrator. Okay, administrator. Those people, in short, it is a DBA. Earlier, so I'm talking about nearly 4 to 5 years back. Okay, every person, there'll be a separate front-end developers, there'll be a back-end developers, there'll be a DBAs will be there. But nowadays, if any jobs given to a person, he should understand the end-to-end products. That means he has to design the UI. So this, this will be called as a UI or UX developers. So we can call developers. Okay, so that means this only one person is responsible to design this UI and UX backend backend. Then the same person responsible for the database. This will be calling as a schema. So schema designing generally. That is why companies are paying that much salary nowadays for a full stack development. Okay, in full stack also, okay, we have a plenty of full complete product developer. Okay, we can talk about this product as a full stack developer. Then plus in full stack also, voice is clear, sir, now?
So say something, sir. I will check whether your voice is audible.
Okay.
Now it's clear, sir. Now.
Okay. That is okay. Thank you. Okay, so when you're talking about the full stack, we have nowadays plenty of full stack domains are there. So here we have a concept called as a merge stack. We have a concept called as a mean stack. We have a Java stack. That is Python stack, .NET stack. We have JavaScript stack. We have a JS stack. Then we have data science stack. Then we have machine learning stack. A lot of things are there nowadays. What is this? A complete product development. So that is, they are aiming for that one. So here, the MERN, mostly all the products, these are open source. Then plus, if they want, and that's what, if they want to go for product-based companies, then they should be familiar with at least one stack from this list. Then plus, here, they need to decide whether they want to go with web development or data analytics. Okay, if they want to go with a data engineer or data science engineer, okay, so that side. So they should be familiar with these. Either data science engineer, okay, data science stack, then we need to, otherwise they can go with machine learning. But if they want to go with the web development, it's like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, those kind, they need to know about at least one stack from this one. So before some of the companies, if they want to hire, they are giving some like a hackathon kind of things. Okay, so they are giving some duration over there. I think 3 hours. I mean, it depends. Okay. So last month also, one company, they have conducted some hackathon. That's a hiring process. So they have given nearly 6 hours to complete their products. Okay. They have given complete SRS will be given. According to the SRS given, they need to complete the project. They need to submit the project with a time limit, a time bound. If those who are submitted after the time limit, they didn't accept. Okay, a lot of things are there. From that one, some of the students, they got placed. Okay, so known people I'm talking about. Okay, so that is hiring process nowadays. They are using it, but they have used only a MERN stack. Yes, sir. Vijay Kumar. Any clarification, sir? Vijay Kumar, sir? Okay. No. Okay, these are comes under software development. Okay. The next one, this is about the product-based companies, if they are aiming for. Then plus, if they are going with, that is a services company, so they are not expecting that much programming skills, even though nowadays it like what they are talking about this time, this year is very worst in placement. Not only that is a 24 batch, even 25 batch also, they are thinking like it'll be a very less recruitment only. Okay, plus if they want to improve their programming skills, for that one, we have a lot of platforms they have given. So one is the famous one. I don't know whether you people are familiar. So I think you should be familiar. So that is LeetCode. That is a website. So LeetCode, it's a very good platform to improve their programming skills. That's a better one. So it gives even the time complexity which you have used. Then it gives, and that is what is your code optimization you have implemented. Then it gives the time efficient, that's a space efficiency also. That's it, space complexity. Among all the platforms, that's an online coding platforms, this is the best coding platforms. So here, if the students, if they have completed at least 300 problems from this, at least 300 problems. So surely that person will get placement from top. That is Taito companies. So that we can give a guarantee that. Okay, that is they should have completed 300 problems by their own without their any assistance. So that is assistant mean that's a ChatGPT. That's what most of the people are there doing it. Then plus next one. Okay. Then next one, there is a one more platform is there. It is called a Hacker Rank. One more is there. It's a hacker. So this is also a good platform to develop their programming skills. So likewise, we have a plenty, but I have specified the things which are more popular. So other one is called a CoachF. These are the platforms generally they can execute. Then plus, if they want to, okay, this is development. Okay, software popular. Prompt engineering. Okay, so that jobs actually people are telling next 5 years there will be a 5 crore openings will be there in the prompt engineering jobs. That's the predictions next 5 years. But as of current, now the present scenario, only nearly 1 lakh prompt engineers are there. Okay, so that is a statistics they have given. Okay, plus when you're going with the prompt engineers, in this prompt engineers, it has 2 categories. One is called as a non-technical prompt engineer. Prompt engineers. Then other one is technical prompt engineers. What is a non-technical prompt engineers? So actually, some of the people are, okay, that's the students I'm talking about. If those people are not good at coding, okay, they are, and they don't want to coding jobs. If so, they have this kind of job. What is it? There's a non-technical prompt engineering jobs. What is a non-technical prompt engineering jobs there? Simple. Okay, there is a ChatGPT. We have a lot of AI models. We have a lot of AI models are there. Correct? So using that AI models, we need to make the work done. So when you want to make the AI models to work, we need to understand how to prompt a job. Okay, so how to give a request. Okay, how to prompt that what are the works you want to give it. The format is there, so they should understand that prompt. I mean that format. So that people need to understand only the format. There is no need of writing any code for that one. Those people are called as a non-technical prompt engineers. They can try for that one. When they are going with the technical prompt engineers, so they can create, I mean, they should understand the coding, all these, the basic things. I mean, they should be good at coding first thing. They can create AI models. I mean, they can build AI models here. That is possible. Those people comes under technical prompt engineers. Then one more, when they want to enter into this networking side. Okay. Networking side. In this, they need to understand the basic understanding about the hardware, and they should hardware, and they should understand about there is a concept called networking. From this, a lot of companies are networking. Sorry. For this one, so a lot of companies are giving a certification on this. Microsoft is giving certifications. Cisco is giving certain certifications. Then Red Hat is giving a certification. So likewise, we have a lot of companies for networking. Okay, so Microsoft, it is giving for their networking applications. So this Red Hat is giving for their, okay, it has a Linux network. This is called Linux networks generally. Okay, it is a part of the Linux Red Hat. So this guy is giving a separate certifications. this is whatever I'm talking about this one, everything it comes under international certifications. Okay, then when I'm talking about software developer, this also Oracle is giving us some certifications here. Oh, sorry, I forgot this one. Here also Oracle is giving certifications. Okay, that's an Oracle certification, separate database. Okay, not this one. Okay, in the software developer, Oracle is giving us some certifications here. Even for this one also, Microsoft also giving a certification separate for software developer. So these are additional things to get a jobs, because even the corporates, if they have this kind of international certification, so those people will be considered will be getting a first priority to get a jobs. Okay, after the completion of those selection criteria. Once the selection criteria is over, if there is a competition in that one, these people, the person who got a completion of this, then they'll get a certifications. Then nowadays the companies are not seeing the resume, so they need to represent their GitHub repository. So that is important nowadays. GitHub repository, they need to understand. Repository, yeah. So GitHub repository, they need to understand. I mean, every person should have a GitHub repository. What is it? Whenever they are doing a projects, they'll be doing a mini projects, right? So in the college, in the third semester, every semester they'll be having some simple projects. What are the projects they have developing it? So that project should be uploaded. Actually, this one is called as a version control system. We'll be calling this one as a version control system. Okay, so this GitHub repository, they should have it. So what are the project those people are uploading and developing it, that should be uploaded. Plus, so every student, they should have a LinkedIn profile. It's a professional social site. Even HR are referring these sites to recruit people. LinkedIn profile is there. Then ask the people, we can ask the people to update the LinkedIn every 3 months. That means they should learn new things for every 3 months once. That is better way. Because everything is updated. It's a counter there for their project. That is I'm talking about a career. Then LinkedIn, okay, sorry. Now, so certain companies here, okay. Certain companies, okay, I have given a certain samples over here. That's it. What other companies are using some of the what are the tools? What are the domains they are using it? Okay, so JP Morgan, they are using DevOps. DevOps comes with all the tools over there. They are using that one. When I go to IBM, they have their own. When I go to the database, they have their own tools. Then that is a cloud. They are using one more cloud is called a Gateway. Then Oracle uses Azure. Then Facebook is using React. So React is nowadays becomes more popular. Earlier it was an Angular. Once then React they have introduced. Now React becomes a popular. So when they want to learn, so we can ask those people to learn it is better way. So we can ask them to React. So actually Facebook is React, introduced by React, Facebook only. So they are using React as well as a combined Python. Because we cannot conclude like the product is developed using by only one tool. No. So when I talk about a YouTube, when we are talking about a Facebook, when we are talking about Twitter, what are the networking sites, what are the web application we are talking about, most of the applications, okay, not most of the application, all the applications not built by only one tool. It is a combination of tools. It's a multiple tools over there. So that if the students wants to get placed, okay, and when they want to enter into IT industry, they should not be a specialist, they should be a all-rounder. So that means they should be good at multiple programming languages. That is the main criteria. Because when you want to develop a product, so the product is not made up of only one tool, it's made up of more than one tool. It's minimum 5 or 6 tools will be there to complete a product. So when you want to develop that product, you should be good at all these tools over there. That's it. So just this is we have this one. That's a Google. They are using a that is a language called Golang. So they are using a Golang there. Then plus they are using a Python, as well as Amazon. They are using AWS, their own cloud. Then plus they are using Azure also. Okay, this is for a simple reference I have taken there. So plus they are talking about, I have taken one more site also. This is a career path. Okay, they are talking about this one also. That's a salary, the average salary for that one. Okay, wait. Okay, they are talking about this one. The software industry, how it is going to develop next from 2021 to 2031, next 10 years, how it will be. So they have given so much percentage will be increasing it. So everything they have given here. Okay, that is what. Okay. Whatever things I have discussed from here, it is entirely a technical part. Okay, from that one, if we have, from your side, if you have any doubt or clarification, so you can ask me, sir, now. Okay, so Tangra, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Sir, is there any doubt, sir, for anybody
participants-
having doubt? Okay, shall we conclude, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes,
then.
sir.
Bye. Sir, thank you very much for giving a very good insight into what is happening or what is the requirements or what is the expectations in IT sector in both software and hardware sectors. And thank you very much for it. And now I request the Honorary Secretary of IEI Salem Local Center to propose vote of thanks. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I am audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Most respected chief guest and keynote speaker, Mr. Asaitambi Jai. Respected our chairman, sir. Most respected members from state and local center. Good evening to all. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks in this great occasion, Engineers Talk, a weekly online lecture series. This webinar is 35th topic. The title is Career Path in IT. On behalf of IEI Salem Local Center, it's my pleasure to propose vote of thanks to our chief guest and keynote speaker, Mr. Asatembe sir, Managing Director, Aeron Technologies, Salem. Excellent presentations are gave. Actually, even though I am a non-IT engineers, today only I came to know the lot of information about what the IT engineers scope in that is software developing side, product based, prompt engineering side, and a networking side. So my only one doubt is whether the students have to do all the certificates, sir, or based on the what they have, what they studied in the curriculum and the syllabus, is this enough? So that actually I thought of asking these questions to you, sir.
So actually, whatever the syllabus they are learning for their academic, that is not at all enough, ma'am. First thing.
Okay.
So they need to go out of that one. So they should learn it. Plus, if they want to enter into networking side, either anyone, either they can go with the Cisco certification, otherwise they can go with the Microsoft certification, or they can go with the Red Hat certification. It is not a compulsory, but nowadays, I'm talking about a tier 1, tier 2 companies, the certificates are compulsory.
Yes,
So
sir.
then
Yes,
only
sir.
you can get the better packages over there.
But how
But
much
when I
cost?
think, yes, ma'am.
How much
It
cost,
depends, ma'am.
sir?
Certifications. So I
Certifications.
think it'll be a $200
Okay.
examination point of view.
Examination point of view only.
What? Yeah, this are only exam fees. So
Okay,
course
but
fees will be a different one.
will be different from company to company. I mean, who are all
Yes.
giving? Yes.
The company will be conducted by the course, but if they are good at, they can learn by themselves, because nowadays we have a lot of YouTube videos are there, so YouTube channels are there, so web resources also there. Using that one, they can refer it. Then exam fee they need to pay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That's a constant wherever you are going that one.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Then if they are going into the software development, so they need to learn what are the things. Okay, which part? Okay, if they are going with the Java, they need to learn completely Java. So if
Yes.
they are going with the Python, they need to complete the Python completely. So that's a Python stack. We have a lot of things like that. It's not a one tool. It will be a group of tools will be there.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So thank you for accepting our, first of all, our invitation and gracing this occasion with your warm presence. Thank you very much, sir. And then my sincere thanks to our beloved chairman, sir, Dr. K. Tangaraj, for his constant support and guidance and sincere effort always. And I extend my sincere thanks to our engineers talk team members, Dr. R. Satish Kumar, Dr. A. Kumaravel sir, Engineer N. Armugam sir, Engineer K. S. Selvam sir, spending their valuable time and render the support always. It's my privilege to thank Engineer N. Armugam sir for his valuable support. Whenever we need for IEI, sir is always ready to come forward and do the support. Thank you so much. I record my sincere thanks to Mr. Thiagu for his excellent coordination for conducting this event. Webinar series weekly. Thank you, Thiago sir. I also wish to express my gratitude to all the engineers, fellow members, professors, and students for their kind cooperation to make this event fruitful. Once again, I thank you.